Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks. Somebody emailed me and questioned the mesh fill tool. I very seldom ever use it. You can see that this one's set on 2 by 2. So there's 2 points and you can raise it. So his question was, can he raise it to like 12 and 12 and then it would be there every time? Well, yes. That is just like any other thing you have set. When you have this set on 12 by 12, go up to tools and save as default and have all these checked and then say okay. So we're just going to test it out on a new item that doesn't have anything ever done. And we're going to get the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And then we're going to grab the Mesh Fill tool and you can see it did 12 by 12. So there's his answer. I could have answered that without a video, but I thought I would show a little bit about the Mesh Fill tool. I don't ever use it, but if you grab white and you put it over here, you can see a square box, square box, square box. And then you go over here and you see an outline of a box. The outline of the box is just going to fill in that one dot. The other one is going to fill in those 4 squares so you can see the box. So it goes to all 4 of them. Now you can select more and turn them all white. And then if you want this one to be back to that orange, you can have something in the middle. So when you're moving this over, when you get the box, it's going to do these 4 or these 4. If you have the square and you get to, see over here, it says no fill because there's nothing, or no mesh because there's nothing there. But when you get to a box that has an outline, it's just going to do that one. It's pretty cool. And there's a lot of settings that you can change and, make it out of focus more or not. And then when you take it away, you get that right there, kind of a blurry mesh fill is what it is. Anyway, I hope that answered the question, and thank you for watching.